满了对咯。
因为它前面有一个，你注意看它的
对咯，先测看，对。
它重机它也自动高对。
对。
好像把枪这样那个很快的。
那种更快
越打越快的，我试过了。
好像笑有用啊那种。
那种枪那个越打越快。
Today is Wednesday. I'm early. I need to go to work early. We have a meeting at 9 o'clock. So one of the important skills that one should have is learn how to do lane filtering, like what I'm doing right now. So let me show you. Hey buddies, hello, good morning. Right, so I'm going to show you how's the morning traffic like in ECP towards the city. This is a Monday, it's a Wednesday. Right, so it's like a typical work day. You have a lot of cars, motorists, on the road. You just have to ride defensively. Seriously. You are on small little bike. Okay, let me show you how's the traffic look like. Oh, please help, bless me. Right here, I'm trying to filter in. Car, please, let me get in. Thank you. Alright, so this is the way to join the ECP highway. So we are just passing by the airport exit. I know it was a bit tricky, right, earlier on the stretch when coming down from the ramp. So it's a morning peak hour, so that sort of traffic is expected. So a bit messy, a bit sticky situation earlier on. So just have to ride safe and stay alert. Right up ahead, there's a sharp bend on the left, so you have to prepare for that. So you need to look on your rear mirror from time to time. There's a bike coming up. Yes, please go ahead. Thank you. Have a good ride, safe ride. So the speed limit over here is 40 kilometers an hour. There's a signboard. So we keep on to our speed limit, making a left bend, and we should be good. So if you are approaching a bend too fast, try to downshift to a lower gear. Yeah, otherwise we are good. I'm just wondering why, like motor cars, we have like 95% or more already on automatic gears, but on motorcycles, if it's a moped or scooters, right, you get the automatic gear. But what about motorcycle? Is it because of the high cost? That's why manufacturers are still keeping the manual. But of course, riding manual is fun. No doubt about that. I'm not complaining. Yeah. But if you know the answer why we are still keeping the majority of the manual gear, please leave down in the comments below. Thank you. So the motorcycle that I'm using is Yamaha MT15. I enjoy riding every single bit of it. If you are new to motorcycle industry, you're welcome. I know I'm late into this game, but I enjoy. It's a very affordable entry level. It's called a street bike. Basically, it doesn't have the windshield. When I ride in the motorway highway, I can feel there's a lot of wind hitting my body and my face. Yeah, that's the downside of it. But otherwise, it's a pretty low maintenance motorcycle and very agile. I enjoy every single little bit of it. Yeah, you can see the jam actually starts as soon as we hit as early from Marine Parade area towards the CT. So this is quite a typical everyday weekday traffic, I would say. So there are emerging lane from the far left, coming to our main highway. So as a motorcyclist, I'm new into this. I know I'm still learning. I'm still learning. There's a lot of things to learn, and every day I'm blessed. I'm being blessed. I'm still riding, accumulating my experience. Please give me a chance. So I have a dream. I'm not. Everyone should have a dream, like what you enjoy doing in your life. Like um, the reason I chose to ride a motorcycle, it gives me a lot of a joy. It helped me to distress, and I have a dream to one day to cycle into Malaysia and Thailand, all the way to Thailand, Hat Yai, and even further up north, to Bangkok or Chiang Mai. That's if I can do that. Yeah, that's definitely a dream, a simple dream for for me. And I'm pleased if I can achieve that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm still trying to navigate my way, as you can see. Yeah, the traffic will start to clear up. So as soon as we go nearing the MCE exit, as of here, there's a bend in front. Just have to watch out. Yeah. So as you're riding, you have to be very vigilant and alert on your surroundings. It's like almost more than 180 degree. You have to keep left and right, just to watch out. There will be cars, motorcycles, or big trucks all over the place. You must look far ahead where you want to go. Yeah, it should be good. As soon as you enter the tunnel, like this MCE tunnel, during a warm day, you definitely feel warm. But today is a morning, so it's not too bad. It's still not too hot or humid. but yeah, something just to keep in mind. Alright guys, we are coming to the end of the video. If you like this sort of contents, please hit on the like and subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.